Yeah. Today I'm gonna be making slime. It's my first time making slime for my first video. So please enjoy this with contact solution or let's make sure it's time to do the video. So let's see. Doesn't happen. Of course not. So this is glaving. I want a lot of slime. There, I think that's enough. Do you think this is enough slime? Yeah. So I got white and blue, so that make light blue. So you guys comment down below to do my color first. So I'm gonna put blue and then white. Oh no! Here we go. It looks prettier when it's all done up. So we'll go for that first. Eeny, meeny, miny. Eeny, meeny, miny. This one first. I'm gonna try this. It's not doing anything. I'll just go back. Ooh. Yes, this is gonna make slime. good at these things. Maybe add a lot.
I don't use too much. Enough a funny smell in here.
It's from this. I mean, it's from that.
Shit. One more in this place.
Hmm?
There's only one more in here.
So guys, I'm going off my hands. Go put this back in the sink. Okay, I know this isn't turning out like slime, but I should stop them. I'm gonna poke it. Would it be a bit thick, maybe? Nice. This is slime. So this would work out. I spent all my money on this, like $10, £10 even. This is not slime. It's liquid. Never, ever. When I mess up, I don't use this because it makes it even worse. Maybe use this one soon. I'll start off that one. I'm gonna clean up my bowl. Let's see what happens with my. Yeah, so I'm gonna search this, but I'm going back to use and clean my hand and before I die. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute.